Hey everyone, it's me, Code1996. I know it's been a while since I've made a video, but now I'm happy to bring you the new Hoover React Professional Pet. This has the floorsense technology, which uses microsensors to automatically speed up and slow down the brush roll depending on if you're cleaning hard floors or carpets. And it has the Hoover, it's compatible with the Hoover app via Bluetooth to let you know when you need to clean your filters and get tips and tricks and everything. It has no loss of suction, performance, multi-cyclonic, and it has the new wind tunnel surge power technology. You can see right here on the back you have the hose you can quickly release right there with the button that has suction control for high pile carpets and area rugs. It supposedly has a sealed allergen system that captures and contains 99% of allergens. I really don't know how I can test that other than with a bright light and a black sheet and some type of smoke maker. I might try to do that one day. It has high intensity LED headlights and a floorsense dashboard which lets you know when it's changing. It has steerable technology and it's Hoover tested for paws and claws. And this is the rest of the box. It tells you Hoover, the original innovator, been around for 100 years. This probably one of the better products that they have came out with recently. But let's see how it is. First thing you have here is Crevice Tool in with this thing. I hope this hasn't been opened before, because that looks like it's been opened. But we'll see. It's supposed to be brand. Oh, look at that. That's dirty. Hope it wasn't used. Because if it is, we are going to return it. Here is the turbo brush. Kind of medium stiff bristles. They're not super soft, but they're not super stiff. A little bit of a rubberized material, airflow holes and channels. Okay, let's take this out. Here is the handle. Alright, guess gotta open this. It doesn't look like this has been opened before, so that's good. Maybe it was just dusty from the cardboard. Ooh, that's a nice wide hose. Look at that. Allows for lots of airflow. Alright, let's get this out of this plastic. There we go. Has a pretty long hose. Look at that. That's not even fully stretched. And you can remove the wand just like that with the press of a button very easily and effortlessly. There's a cord wrap here. The other one's probably on the machine. So just to the side right there. Alright, so now we pull out the main unit. If we can. Yes. There we go. And all the cardboard falls. Okay. Well, it's not really that heavy. Here it is. It's very easy to assemble this. All you have to do is take this and put it right there and there, like this, until you hear it click. Wrap this hose around the bottom, I believe. I could be wrong. I really didn't read the instructions. Well, I know you put that in there like that, and this goes up like this. So I think this does go around like that to hold it into place. So that's basically all the assembly that you have to do other than attaching your tools. Maybe that one goes like this, although that could be for the crevice tool. I did watch the assembly video. This crevice tool has a really small opening, and there's nothing more than just a little slant for airflow, so if you put this down all the way, it more than likely isn't going to work that well. So not a very good crevice tool. Yes, that fits there like that, a lot better in there. And the crevice tool goes here, and this doesn't go anywhere. Looks like it does kind of go like that, maybe. But anywho, this is the new Hoover React with floorsense technology, the professional pet version. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned.